Hello students. Yes, we are going to start new lesson organic nitrogen compounds. See, organic nitrogen compounds means already we may studied aldehyde group, ketone group, then carboxylic acid. The same way the organic compound which having NO2 group. Okay. See, in organic nitrogen compound we are going to see few types of nitrogen compounds. For example, we may learn about NO2 group, nitro group, and also amine group, NH2, and also aromatic amine, then cyanide group. Like all the nitrogen involving organic compound, we are going to see in this lesson. Okay. See, what's the necessity we have to learn this, or what is the important to learn this lesson? See, particularly for living things, the nitrogen compounds are very important, right? See the vitamin B6, then pyridoxine. All those chemical compounds are very important to regularize the nerve system. Okay, so particularly in bio regularization, we need so many nitrogen compounds, right? Even the plants, many animals may eat that plants because of segregation of some nitrogen amine compound. They may not be avoid from the eating of animals. Okay, so animals will eat certain plants only, right? So because of nitrogen compounds only, some of the plant may not be eaten by the animals. Okay, some day to day using chemicals are also made up of nitrogen compound. See, one of the familiar nitrogen compound, we know that what is that? Vitamin B6. Okay, how do you draw the structure of vitamin B6? Right? So the circle, you can instead of put the circle alternative double bonds. Okay, so continuously we have CH3 group, OH group. Here we have CH2OH group, another one CH2OH group, right? So totally we have 4. Here one more thing, there is no carbon, the carbon also replaced by nitrogen. Okay, usually without this all the substitution, any one of the corner is occupied by the nitrogen means we can say that is pyridine. Okay, so one of the pyridine derivative only vitamin B6. Okay, there are many other chemical compounds also used in medicine purpose. Okay, see the another one, dopamine neutralize. Two OH group with one side branch. Okay, with NH2 amine group. Okay, two alcohols and one amine in the branch. Okay, this is called dopamine or neurotransmitter. What's another name? Dopamine. We can use it as a neurotransmitter. So particularly in the nerve system, need all the organic nitrogen compounds. Okay, right? So what is the first derivative of nitrogen compound? See, I already told you nitrogen compound means not only NO2 group. Okay, so the first nitrogen compound we are going to see, that is nothing but nitro compound. So which one is called nitro compound? The organic compound with NO2 group. So we can say hydrocarbon. What is hydrocarbon? Alkanes, alkene, alkyne. In the alkane, alkene, alkyne, one of the hydrogen is replaced by NO2 group means we can say that is nitro compound. Are you clear? For example, alkane, ethane. In the ethane, one of the hydrogen is replaced by NO2 group, means we can say that is a nitro compound. Okay. So nitro compound means alkane group with NO2. The nitro group is classified into two types. What are the two types? One is alkyl nitro compound, or we can say aliphatic nitro compound. Okay, aliphatic means only linear chain. There is no benzene ring. Okay, aliphatic nitro compound. Another one is aromatic nitro compound. What are the two divisions of nitro compound? Aliphatic and also aromatic. The aliphatic further divided into two. So, what is the further aliphatic nitro compound? See, usual alkyl nitro compound. That means nitroalkane. What is another one? This is same type of nitro compound. Because of bond arrangement, we have this type, that is alkyl nitrite. Alkyl nitrite. Then aromatic compound. Further you can classify into two. One is nitroarenes. Arenes means benzene ring compound. Okay, ARENES. Arenes means benzene ring present compounds are called arenes. So nitroarenes. Nitroarenes means what? Nitro group directly bonded with benzene ring, or the benzene ring may attached in some other aliphatic nitro compound, means we can say aryl aliphatic nitro compound. Aryl aliphatic nitro compound. Again I am classify nitro compounds into two types: aliphatic nitro compound, aromatic nitro compounds. The aliphatic nitro compounds: nitroalkane, alkyl nitrite. Then aromatic nitro compound: nitroarenes and aryl aliphatic nitro compounds. Right? See, further this nitroalkane. First we will see one example for nitroalkane. You take any alkane. Shall we take 2 carbon alkane? What's the name of the compound? Yes, ethane. CH3CH3. One of the hydrogen is replaced by NO2. That is the example for nitro compound. So nitroethane. What's the name of the compound? Nitroethane. See, depending upon the nitro group attached carbon, which divided into three types: primary nitro compound, secondary nitro compound, tertiary nitro compound. So nitro compounds, that means nitroalkane, further divided into three types. What are the three? Primary nitroalkane, secondary nitroalkane, tertiary nitroalkane. Okay, then we will see one example for alkyl nitrate. What is that? The same CH3, CH2 only, but the NO2 not connected, the nitrogen not connected with the carbon. Instead of that, one of the oxygen from the NO2 is connected, means we can say that is alkyl nitrate. N double bond O. Okay. The nitroarenes means what? Already I told you. Nitro compound directly bonded to the benzene ring. Nitrobenzene. With one benzene ring with the NO2 group. Then aryl aliphatic nitro compounds means we can write any aromatic compounds. See, benzene ring. NO2 not directly attached in the benzene ring. There is one CH2 or some other carbon In that we have the NO2 group. So this is called a aryl aliphatic nitro compound. See, aryl group also present. That means aromatic compounds. Aliphatic group also present. That's why we can say aryl aliphatic nitro compounds. Okay. See, primary, secondary, tertiary nitro compound. Examples I will write now. So what is primary nitro compounds? Primary nitro compounds. See, first you must remember what is alpha carbon. In that, how many hydrogens are there? Based on that, we can classify primary, secondary, and then tertiary. Okay. C, CH3, CH2, NO2. This is the example for primary nitro compounds. Why? The nitro group attached carbon having 2 or more hydrogen, we can say that is primary nitro compound. NO2 group attached carbon having 2 or more hydrogen means we can say primary nitro compound. So what is the example for secondary nitro compound? Secondary nitro compounds, right? CH3, CH, there is a branch CH3, NO2. Now check it, the NO2 attached carbon having only one hydrogen, we can say secondary nitro compound, right? Then tertiary, how do you write tertiary nitro compound? CH3, 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 NO2. NO2 attached carbon having no hydrogen. So, how will you classify the nitro compound? Nitro alkanes is divided into 3 based on the NO2 group attached carbon having hydrogen. The nitro group attached carbon, that means we can say alpha carbon. Okay, that carbon having 2 or more hydrogen means we can say primary nitro compound. See, 2 hydrogens are present. It's having only one hydrogen means the NO2 group attached carbon having only one hydrogen, second nitro compound. Then no hydrogen means tertiary nitro compound. Okay. Now, general formula to write the nitro compound. What is the general molecular formula for alkane? CnH2n plus 2 is the general molecular formula. General formula for alkane. Here we have to remove one hydrogen, So CnH2n minus 1. That means we have to, 1 we have to remove. So from 2 you have to reduce 1 means remaining 1, which are connected with the NO2 group. So this is the general formula to find the nitro compounds. Okay, right. Now the nomenclature for nitro compound. What do you mean nomenclature? Giving name. Okay, so some important compounds we will see, particularly for a branched compound. Yes. So whenever you have the branches, you have to choose the parent chain. How do you choose the parent chain? What is the condition to choose the parent chain? The longest chain which should have the functional group also. Longest chain 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So anyone we can take. Then we can take the straight one, longest chain which having the functional group. So we can choose parent chain. Okay, which having one branch. If you have the branch, you should say the prefix. Okay, sorry, suffix. Then we can use this prefix and all. Okay, so first branch you have to write in the prefix 1, 2. Why I am giving number from this side? Functional group attached carbon should carry the least number. So 1, 2, 3. Second carbon having methyl groups. So 2 methyl, 3 carbon propane, NO2 group is present. So nitropropane. We can say 1 nitropropane. Why? The first carbon we have the nitro group. Okay. So 2-methyl 1-nitropropane is the name of this compound, right? In case we are going to add one more CSP here. Now how you name? See, the second carbon having 2 methyl group. So 2, 2 dimethyl. As usual, nitro 1-nitropropane. Right? Okay. Then aromatic compound. Aromatic compounds means with the benzene ring. Benzene ring with NO2. Nitrobenzene. Simple. This is benzene. Nitrobenzene. Next is the benzene ring having some substitution. Then how you name the substitution? So where you have added the NO2 group, that is number 1. So which side branch having the least number? If you count this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will come for branch. If you count this anti-clockwise direction 1, 2. So which one having the least number, according to you have to give the name. So 1, 2, 2-methyl nitrobenzene. 2-methyl nitrobenzene. Next, very important compound, benzene ring with 3 nitro compounds. NO2. We should not in the nearby carbon, adjacent carbon. We should not have the NO2, right? Adjacent to one another.